Have you been throwing away food due to expiration dates or buying too much food? Personally, I struggle with this as a homeowner as I forget or don't pay attention to the expiration dates. Did you know that up to 1/3 of our food is wasted and lost through throwing away food, not taking home leftovers, over-processing food, or having it wasted through fecal matter in cows, leading to methane? Well, according to the USDA, that stated in 2016 that food production uses 50% of our land, 30% of our energy sources, and swallows at least 80% of our fresh water supply. Is also one of the largest components that goes into our municipal landfills to this day, which creates methane. I believe that consumer behavior and food regulation policies are two ways that can solve this crisis. By labeling products and placing the expiration dates more carefully, consumers will be able to use these products more efficiently and be able to regulate their food better by not wasting their food. If consumers were to able to portion their sizes to just that night and not make leftovers, this is another way that we could limit the sources of wasting our food. Most families that go out to eat tend to get big portion sizes and can't finish them. So most of the time they don't take the leftovers home because they either don't like them or they aren't one to eat leftovers. Personally, I'm not one to eat leftovers, so I try and buy something that I personally will eat and eat as much as I can. Try not to waste food, but another way that we could solve this problem is composting. Composting is healthy for the earth and it decomposes all of your everyday scraps like banana peels, carrot peels, potato peels, you name it. This will also help with limiting the food waste because you'll use it for gardening possibly, and you can make your own fruits and vegetables. Another thing with setting food portions is that if we saved at least a quarter of our food that is currently being wasted or was saved, then there could be at least 870 million hungry people, according to the Fiber Optic Association, that could be fed instead of wasting it. A lot of people out there do not have the resources or money to grab groceries day to day. Thanks for listening.